Today I am with Anu, who is Amazon PPC agency owner, and the name of his own company is Ads Zenith. For more information, you can search on Google by typing Ads Zenith. So today we will talk something about the way he works. Anu, what is Amazon PPC?
Pradeep, first of all, thank you very much for inviting me on your podcast today. And to answer your question, Amazon PPC is an advertisement system where Amazon sellers bids on certain keywords to show their ads to Amazon shoppers. And a good example is, let's say you want to buy a charger for your phone. Let's say you have iPhone 15, so you will search for iPhone 15 charger, and now a seller will bid on this keyword, and you will see that his product when you search for Amazon, iPhone 15 charger, and you will buy from him. So this whole system, this is called Amazon ads.
Anup, you run an agency, online agency named Ads Zenith. So what is your own role?
um, my own role is like as an agency owner is, we help Amazon sellers to sell on Amazon. See, Amazon is a very a big company in USA. I'm keep saying USA because I focus and work with USA clients. And what we do, as I said, we help them sell. It involves a lot of technicalities to sell on Amazon. Like, a seller need to find a product to sell on Amazon, then he needs to send it to the customers. When they place an order, he need to run ads to show their products to shoppers. So see, there are a lot of technicalities. These are some basic technicalities, but there are a lot more. And to help them to run all these processes smoothly, we work with them.
Anu, how did you start this agency? Because you are living in Prayagraj and you are working with US clients. How is it possible?
Pradeep, I didn't just started this agency. Like, I have been working since last 5 years in this field. Uh, Back in 2018, I think, when I finished my college, I started looking for a job, honestly, but I didn't find a good package where where I was getting good salary, and I could see good growth. And at that time, I was getting little bit awareness about these online thing, and then I wanted to do something that that I could work on my laptop in my room, and I can get paid for doing that. And when I started researching about all these things, I came across freelancing. And then I researched more about freelancing, and I started doing freelancing. And then freelancing, then after 2 years doing freelancing, I joined a company to do a full-time job in the same field, this Amazon PPC field. I started doing job, and I joined that company as a senior Amazon PPC specialist, and within few months I got promoted to team lead. And by when I resigned that company, I was director of Amazon marketing in that company. And yeah, and after resigning, I started my own company at Zenith.
Okay, you said earlier freelancing. What is freelancing?
So freelancing is basically when someone start serving multiple clients instead of doing job. He start getting paid per project. He choose his own clients with whom he wants to work. His own price for those services and his own time. So this process is called freelancing, and in freelancing you need to have some kind of service to offer clients.
What will be the future, the work you are doing?
The work I am doing about Amazon, right? So Amazon is the largest e-commerce company in the world, and when it comes to other countries, like in India, there are many like Flipkart, Myntra, there are many, Meesho and all. But in America, Germany, UK, all these countries, Amazon is the biggest. And to give you a number, I'll say there are 3 million active sellers on Amazon globally, which is almost around 30 lakhs of sellers. So now you see how many sellers are there globally, and these all sellers can be your potential clients. So and charges are really good. We charge decent amount per month, and these are flat fee. We do our work and we get paid every month a fixed amount. So yeah, this gives you an idea that how big this market is.
Okay, no, suppose someone want to earn money online. What are the ways and what are the what are the ways through which they can earn online?
So to earn online, there are various ways, many I'll say. But if I need to just talk few or which are practical also, they will be freelancing, one of them. Second will be content creation, like you are doing. You are shooting podcast and then putting it online, and you are making some money also out of these, I know. And third will be remote job. Remote job is when you are in one country or one location and you are doing job elsewhere without going there. So this process is called remote job. And first, freelancing, you should have a kind of a skill, be it video editing is a good example of a skill, graphic designing is a good example of a skill, data management, AI thing is boosting nowadays, so you can be prompt engineer, or maybe AI agent builder, anything like that. So you can start providing these services to the clients in India, outside of India, using some freelancing platforms. Like one I used in my career is Fiverr. I did really well on Fiverr. I was just about to become top seller when I quit Fiverr and started doing my job. And so Fiverr is a good one if you want to go with the freelancing. Upwork is also a good one. You can simply search for freelancing or Fiverr or Upwork, you will get an idea. Second is content creation. Content creation is also very good today also. Like people say that there is a lot of crowd when it comes to content creation. Of course, if you will go on general things like blogging, singing, teaching mathematics, there is a lot of competition. But still, if you go and start talking about AI thing, like what are AI agents? Have you heard about AI agents?
No, I don't know about
So
AI.
AI agent is a very fascinating thing. Like let's say you want to book your tickets, flight. Let's say you want to go to Bangalore and you want to book tickets for yourself. So now in today's era, you will go on these ticket booking websites, and you will find a good ticket, a book it at you for by yourself. AI agent is a kind of program which you simply need to say where you want to go, from Prayagraj to Bangalore. Now this AI agent will go on internet, log in using your credentials, and it will find the best offer, best ticket for you. It will book it for you. So see, it will replace a human. So this big is AI agents. These are hype in 2025. And if you learn how to build an AI agent, this is a big service opportunity. Now people get scared of learning something new. Like when I say freelancing, offering some services to clients, they say that I don't know anything, like how can I serve anything. So you can learn. Like AI thing is very new, and there are many people who are learning how to build AI agent, how to. You can start with small things, like you can do video editing, very basic, you can do that. So you can learn video editing. Simply go on YouTube, search how to do edit videos, and there are going to be thousands of videos to train you. So this is about freelancing. Now content creation. Okay, I think I went one step back. Let's get back to content creation again. So I was saying that if you create videos on AI agents, this is going to be big, because this is something new. And now I'll come to the third part, which is remote job. If you have some skill and you don't want to do freelancing or do all these things, you want to do a job, full-time job, like many people prefer jobs. So in that case, you can go on a website called LinkedIn, LinkedIn. So you will go there. LinkedIn is a platform. It's a kind of social media for professionals. On this platform, you also share about yourself. Like on Facebook, you share your photos. When you go somewhere, you put your pictures on Instagram and Facebook. But on LinkedIn, you put your professional journey. When you get promoted, you put on LinkedIn. When you get graduated from your college, you put on LinkedIn. Whatever certificates you get, you put on LinkedIn. So anybody who want to hire you will go on LinkedIn and he will get a full understanding who you are, what you have studied, what you have learned, what you have worked so far, all your experience, everything will be visible on LinkedIn. Some people say and will say that LinkedIn is the new resume. So go and search for LinkedIn, what is LinkedIn, and create your profile and start putting your content there and start building connection. Like you can connect with people in the field you are interested in. Like you want to be a video editor, you want to do a full-time job as a video editor, you can go and connect with people who are already doing these kind of jobs, and then you can simply DM them that, hey, I am let's say I'm Anup Patel and I have learned video editing, and but learn the video editing first, and do some project, prepare some project, like get some videos and edit them, and then start sending people that I have done this, I have edited these videos, please have a look, and then eventually you will land to a good job opportunity. So this is how you are going to get a remote job.
Anup, we come from rural areas.
Uh-huh.
And how can children connect themselves and make a successful career in this field and earn money?
You say we are from village side. So in this era today, whole world is kind of a global village. So everything, like everyone is connected. Internet is everywhere. So it doesn't matter where you are. If you have a passion to follow, if you not I'll not say passion only, because people are going to get scared again that you need to have a passion. You don't need a passion actually. You just need to have a hunger that you want to earn money. With that hunger, now you go on YouTube and put your first question there, that how can you make money online. You will get various of ways. Now I have answered that question for you. You can start freelancing, content creation, or a remote job. You can simply search which one is better for you, and then you can start doing research further. Let's say you think some way that freelancing is better for you. Now go and search that how can you start freelancing, what skills you have that you can sell. Maybe you are good at video editing, not video editing, let's go at very basic. To give you an example, on fiverr.com, if you will go, you will see that there are many people from village side. They get some kind of like branches in their hands, and they dance and sing that happy birthday to you, some name. They send these videos to abroad people, and then they get paid, $10 to $15, which is around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. So these kind of basic tasks, you have a good voice, you can, let's say you can do some voiceover. Simply record your videos doing voiceover and send it to the clients, not directly to the client. You can go on fiverr.com and you can list your services, whatever you know, you can list that service. And if you don't know anything, you can learn a new skill on YouTube again.
Anup, one last strong message, any strong message which you want to give to our audience in 2 to 3 sentences or 4 sentences?
To your audience, I will say, most of your audience are students, I believe, right?
Yes.
So to students, I will say, you all have a superpower. That's your mobile phone. Start using it positively. Like you have access to YouTube. This is like whatever I have learned so far is from YouTube. Like of course I have taken some paid courses as well, but when I earn some money and I have money to pay for those paid courses, then only I enrolled for those courses. But in beginning, everything I learned was from YouTube. So YouTube has limitless potential. Whatever you want to learn, you can simply go and type in YouTube, and you will get countless videos. So use this superpower and learn, do research what you want to do, what you can do, and what you should do, and start doing it.
Okay, Anup, thank you so much. You have told us, you have shared some valuable information which is relevant to the future, contemporary context. Thank you so much, Anup.
Okay, thank you, Pradeep. Thank you very much. I hope this conversation is going to be helpful
Yeah, this
to
is
the
very
students.
relevant. I think that that will give some information to our audience.
Okay, great. Okay, Pradeep, thank you very much again. So let's wrap up this podcast here.
Yes, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you.